Evergreen serves students across multiple classrooms and shared learning spaces that support daily instruction and school activities. The main school building was constructed in 1947, with additional classroom space added at the rear of the building over time. Together, these facilities reflect different eras of construction and evolving educational needs. Recent facility assessments have provided a clear, data-informed picture of the condition of Evergreen and the challenges that have developed as building systems age. These findings help the district and community better understand where improvements are needed and to support safe, functional, and reliable learning environments. The school's main entry is located directly off a busy highway, and the gravel parking area presents ongoing safety, accessibility, and maintenance challenges. The building does not provide full accessibility to all spaces. These limitations affect ease of movement for students, staff, and visitors with mobility needs, and highlights areas where future improvements could support more equitable access. Aging window systems are identified for replacement. While some windows have been updated over time, remaining older windows affect comfort, energy efficiency, and overall building performance. Damaged siding on the exterior needs to be replaced to protect the building. Flooring has aged well, but should be replaced throughout the school. The assessment identifies sagging ceiling framing in some classroom areas, along with deteriorated roof sheeting at the covered walkway. These conditions require attention to maintain the structural integrity and to protect interior spaces. Electrical panels, equipment, and lighting systems are aging and are undersized for current demands. These conditions increase the risk of severe disruptions and highlight the need for system upgrades to maintain safe and reliable operations. Mechanical systems and galvanized piping throughout the building are approaching the end of their useful life. As these systems age, the risk of breakdowns and service interruptions increases, underscoring the importance of long-term planning for replacement and modernization. Fixtures like sinks and water fountains are in need of replacement. Additionally, the restroom should be renovated and updated to meet current accessibility requirements. Physical education is conducted in a covered play area rather than a gym, highlighting a long-standing facility gap that affects students' learning and program delivery. Together, these assessment findings provide a comprehensive understanding of our school's facility needs and help inform long-term planning efforts focused on safety, accessibility, system reliability, and quality learning environments. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the condition of our schools. Recent and future community engagement will help inform the long-term planning and care of our facilities.